It could be the first thing you do in the morning and the last thing you do before you go to sleep. You might do it on your commute to work, and again as soon as you sit down at your desk. You may do it while you wait, while you walk, and sometimes even while you eat. The average worker gets over 120 emails a day. Many are checking, opening, and responding to them as much as 9 times an hour. Considering how much time all this takes, it's no surprise this avalanche of correspondence is wearing some people down. Our inbox constantly diverts our attention, and many have no strategy for getting it under control. With over 30 years of experience and more than 2 million graduates worldwide, Priority Management can show you and your company how to make more of your existing technology and get your email under control for you and your company. Priority, a better way to work.